Everybody has been talking about ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI. What is a language model? A language model is a type of machine learning that is trained to understand and create text. Now, OpenAI is a research laboratory founded in December 2015. That's all I'll say. But a lot of people have been saying that ChatGPT knows everything and it can answer anything that you ask it. Well, I'm not certain if all the answers that ChatGPT gives us is correct. However, I do know this. ChatGPT will become more advanced and it will know more than what it knows right now. Watch and see. As incredible as ChatGPT is, it does have its limitations. Here's some of them. Number one, it has a lack of common sense. Language models are trained on large data sets of text. However, they lack general understanding of the world like a human. They are not able to understand or respond to questions that require common sense knowledge. Number two, they have a limited understanding of context, meaning they are not always able to understand the nuances of a conversation or the purpose of a statement. Number three, they can generate bias or discriminating information. And four, they lack creativity of humans when generating text. They don't have that creativity that we humans possess. There are safety and ethical concerns because AI can generate text that are similar to the text of humans. And this comes into play here because the model may generate text that is harmful or deceitful. This is what I think. ChatGPT cannot replace human intelligence as it lacks creativity and context. It's just here to assist. Use it responsibly. Like, subscribe, and share. Comment below.